In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add countdown timer to Shopify. Now this is very easy and quick. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in a few seconds. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to open your Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and a few different options will come up here. You want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store, okay, in the top right. Now it will take you directly to App Store, to Shopify App Store. You want to search for countdown, okay. You want to search for you want to search for countdown, and you will find a few different options here. The name of the app is Essential Countdown Timer Bar, okay. This is the name of the app. Click on it, and yeah, this is it. You want to click on add app, and in the top right you want to click on install app in the top right. All right, now you can customize this as you want. Let me show you how you can do this. Now you want to click on create a new timer, and here you have to select which place you want that to appear. So if you want to appear in product page, you can select product page, the bottom bar, landing page, okay. I like it to appear in the product page. Click on select this timer type, and yeah, this is how you can customize this. As you can see, the title, hurry up. You can select here days, hours, minutes, seconds. Yeah, after you select, guys, this, and after you customize this, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on publish in the top right. Now as you can see, countdown timer was successfully published to your store. So now if you go to your store, guys, you will find that, as you can see, okay, as you can see, hurry up sales ends, as you can see. So that's exactly, guys, how you can add countdown timer on Shopify. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.